How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you the best setting for your MSI MPG 321URX. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your desktop. From here, click the show more option, navigate through the display setting, scroll down, and just head over to the advanced display. From here, you want to make sure that you have chosen the highest refresh rate. It will make things a lot smoother. And then let's head over to the OSD controls. Unfortunately, I did not screen record the OSD settings, so I have it prepared right here. So in order to access this menu, you have to press the button behind your monitor, which is going to be the OSD controls, meaning on-screen display setting. This window will now show up, on which we can apply the following. Once again, refresh rate is going to be 240 for this specific model. Adaptive sync is going to be on, but it can depend what game you are currently playing. If it's mainly FPS, you want to turn it off, but if it's something like story games, single player games, just leave it at on. The game mode is going to be user. The pro mode or the color is going to be sRGB. Brightness at 35 or 45, contrast at 70, sharpness at 0 or 1. I recommend just choosing something like 0. The color temperature is going to be warm or 6500K, and night vision is going to be off. Now, if you're mainly using it for competitive gaming, 240Hz is your best option. VRR off, response time fast, night vision normal or weak, HDR off, and OLED care on. And so from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.